Hey guys, down the vlogger. Coming to you with a quick little video. Y'all notice anything different? Anything? Anything? Well, duh, you notice these bomb ass bundles in my head. Also noticing that you probably think I was sewing. I don't know if this looks wiggy or not to y'all, but it is a wig with a closure. And I just want to tell you a little bit about the women that made this happen. If you wanted to look into getting a wig by my team, you definitely could. So let's talk about the hair first. These bundles are from HairLuvBoutique. It's a Detroit-owned hair company, and I have been. How long have I been rocking with HairLuvBoutique? I mean, honestly, I've been rocking with it like it's been almost a year since their startup. We've been definitely making some moves. I love this hair. This is a body wave, and it goes as short as I believe 10 or 12 inches. I have to double check that, but it can get as long as 26 inches if that's what you need out here, girl. The top bundles, this is a second install. I actually wore this hair before. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some pictures from when I wore this hair before. It looked just as beautiful as it does now then. And then it hit me that I really wanted to have the whole hair thing, but I didn't want to like get a sew-in because I'm irritating and I've been needing like variety. So I had my other stylist, TruTresses. I will put both of their Instagrams in my description. TruTresses is who made my unit. I love this unit. It is so perfect for my head because I have a really big head, guys, and seriously, wigs don't be working for me. This is the first time I've worn a wig since, like, with me having a substantial amount of hair. Of course, I did wear wigs when I was going through chemo, but you guys know how my hair looks now. And it's very, very comfortable on my head. It does not hurt. And it's so flowy and gorgeous, and I just feel like super brand new right now. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing. So sorry, I just got beside myself. Let's start with the maker of my bundles. The owner of HairLuvBoutique is an awesome lady. Her name is Taria, and she has been doing hair since, I don't even know, but I'm pretty sure since I was 3, and maybe even younger than that. I think it's been over 18 years, and just in the past year or so, she's been starting her own hairline. I have used this body wave. I've also used, she has a, what the fuck is that curl? Oh my gosh, why am I so stupid? There's an Egyptian wave, and then there's a natural curl. I will show you the look that I had with the natural curl. That hair is so bomb, and let me tell you, I still have that hair, and I think I might make a unit out of that one too. It just depends. Like, I love my curl, but sometimes I just want it to be a little longer. So she does make a curl that fits my curl. Oh my god, I need some lip gloss. Seriously, I'm so sorry about that. Like, I was looking real crusty because I've had this makeup on since literally like 9 this morning, and it's 7:23. So if I'm looking a little greasy and shiny, y'all, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, that's neither here or there. Let's talk about the hair. I live by it. I breathe by it. I'll die by it. I'm a ride or die for it. It's the only hair that you'll ever see on my head. It just is, it's perfect. So look, I don't lie to y'all. I haven't lied to you guys yet. Why would I lie to you now? So just go ahead, and if you want to look into ordering some HairLuvBoutique hair, let me know. I got you. We do ship. Okay, we can get it to you if you live within the United States. We're not shipping internationally yet, y'all. We are just starting up. So this is showing you live. This is showing you 2 wears, and you're also seeing this hair as a unit. So let's talk about the unit. TruTresses is owned by Tiffany, and I love her. She actually has been doing my hair since she was probably 5. Like, she was definitely into braiding and playing in my hair, and now she's, you know, she a grown woman now, y'all. She grown, she cute, she everything. And she's a full service cosmetologist, but she does units. She makes wigs, and I love how this is styled. I love how breezy and beautiful it is. I love how full it is, and I'm just basically feeling myself. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I didn't even stop looking in the mirror, and I was a fucking superstar. So yes, let me talk about the ease of getting this whole unit done. I wanted a wig because I was feeling so ugly after this whole rash situation. She got my unit back to me in 2 days. Now, mind you, she does live in D like me, so she was able to deliver it to me. But what I can say is turnaround time for my unit was really fast. As soon as I put the order in, we got it together. I got my bundles to her, and it worked out. If you decide to use both of my ladies to get some bundles and to get a unit, I can make that happen too. They work together, so the bundles can come from here, the unit will come from here, and together we will have greatness. Okay, so I will definitely try to include some type of, well, you know what, I won't include pricing because I want you guys to go to her page and talk to her about pricing, and I want you guys to inquire through my girls. The whole purpose of this video, yes, it was to tell you how much I love my wig, but it was also to show you how I styled it. I used a bedhead wave artist crimper, and I just wanted you guys to see how it was, like, before I put a curl, like, to see how it is freshly washed, and to see how beautiful it takes heat, and that it doesn't destroy the hair. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because let me tell you, we all know somebody who needs some hair, and I'm giving you a one-stop shop for bundles and a unit if you don't want to sew in. If you live in the D, you can definitely get your hair done by either of these women, and I will swear by them. I get my hair, I go between both HairLuvBoutique and TruTresses, because sometimes, you know, schedules don't line up, and I be having a lot going on, and I need my hair done this time, and it may not work for her, so I go to her. So it's good to have 2 stylists, but it's even better when those 2 stylists can make perfection. So definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you got a cousin who hair always looking busted, and she always getting them stiff bundles that when she bend down, the hair bend with her like this, I need you to tell her to subscribe to my channel, because she needs love, and I love her, and I will definitely get her in the right direction. Alright, because all of us need some ease in our life. We do. Definitely just go ahead and subscribe. I got you. I got the connections, I got shipping, I got bundles, I got ease, I got it all. Let's get right into the juice of the video on how I style my hair.
Bad and bullshit, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Bitches bad and bullshit, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Bitches bad and bullshit.
Tell me what you think about the hair. If you go to my girls because of this video. Let them know. Tell them Dom sent you. That would make me so happy if you did that. It would just make my whole life. And please, if you do get some HairLuvBoutique hair or get a unit made by TruTresses, please send me the picture. Like, go ahead and tag me on my social media. That's at the end of this video. And I will definitely share your pictures on my Instagram, on my Facebook. Girl, get you some follows and some likes because boys love inches.
Bitch.